A lot of chicken?
A lot of chicken?
Oh, wow.
Chicken?
Wow, okay.
Oh my goodness, they are happy because of chicken. He's so happy. Look at him.
Go to the park part.
Yeah, he wants. He loved that. Look at him jumping up and down.
Can we get popcorn?
He said, what? Did you just say popcorn?
Going for a walk.
Where is he? What's like? Did you just say a walk?
Hungry?
We're hungry?
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Dear.
Here.
Where's the seawater?
Where's the seawater?
See what
Seawater?
Where is it? Outside.
Are you
Are you gonna chase
Are you gonna chase the bunnies?
Huh? Bunnies?
You
Oh, you wanna chase the bunnies with us? No.
Look at him.
Maybe some.
Taco? Did you just say taco?
I think on my way over while we go for a car ride.
Huh? All right.
I think we'll probably
Let's go.
Probably stop at
Look at them sneaking from it.
So, I
I thought I could
go
go for a walk.
Excuse me? Park?
You're gonna have to pick up your Crocs.